Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we have a good project. Hope you will enjoy it. So watch until the end. Don't skip any step and learn on how to repair a motor at home. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Walter Buya. Hope you will enjoy the full video. So guys, today we want to repair a motor, and these are the things you need to have. One, multimeter, pliers, mark pen, battery, cable, and the motor itself. So guys, we want to measure first our backup battery if it has enough voltage that can run the motor, because the motor is 12 volts. So we are measuring the voltage using the multimeter. So you need to turn the switch to voltage or direct current. Turn it to 20 because this battery is 12 volts. See guys, now we are measuring the battery first using multimeter. This is the terminal, the anode and cathode terminal. This red is positive and the black one is negative. So you need to measure using the terminal, the negative terminal, negative terminal, negative terminal, and the positive terminal, guys. So this is our battery, guys. Hope you will see the reading. I want also you to read the reading. So our battery is 12.96. We are measuring if the motor is okay. This is the, see guys, measuring the motor to check the polarity, the positive and negative. Now I have to mark it using my mark pen here. I got this was positive and this was negative. See guys, so now guys, you want to terminate my wire to connect the wire to the backup battery, this one. So guys, hope you are seeing. I've connected the wire, the terminals. It is not good to short the terminal, but guys, let me short so that you can see. So guys, our motor is working, and even you can hear the sound from the motor running. So this motor is okay. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel guys. Also you can turn on notification bell so that once we upload videos, you will be the first person to get our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.